Hello guys and welcome in this video for the release highlights for intermediate versions 15.1 and 15.2. The goal is today to see what are the main changes and improvements that have been made for the application point of sale for these two intermediate versions. What I propose is that we directly jump to these new features and improvements. First of all, we can see that the point of sale interface is loading faster than before. Then we are going to check how some settings are now activated by default in the general point of sale settings and in the specific shop settings. And finally, we are going to see how we are now able to hide costs and margins on the product information from classic users of the point of sale, and to be able to show it only to managers of point of sale. So what I propose is to see directly in Odoo how it's shown and how it works. So I'm here in my point of sale application, and first of all I want to show you these activated by default settings. So first, for the general settings of the point of sale application. Now, in inventory section, you can see that inventory management is automatically checked in real time. The goal is to encourage the fact of using real-time inventory management for point of sale. Then if I jump to a specific shop, so I will go to my shop. There are two settings that are now checked by default. It's the fact that the product prices are tax included, because most of these shops are using tax included prices to show to their customers. And another stuff is the product configurator that is now checked by default. It wasn't the case before. So these are two changes for a specific point of sale settings. So now about the cost and margins that we can hide from the users. You now have this possibility here, as you can see in the specific shop settings. You got this margin and cost settings. If it's checked, it means that it will show the margin and cost on product information. So it means that even the classic users of the point of sales who are not managers can see the cost and margins on the product information. If I untick this box, okay, now we can see it's untick. As a manager, so Mitchell admin, I will be able to see information on my product information about cost and margins. So if I click here, as you can see, I can have a view on the cost, on the margin of the product, but also on the cost of replenishment and total cost and margin for the whole order. And now if I close my session, I will just put the right one here. If I close my session and log out and connect as a user, I mean classic user of the point of sale. If I open my shop and open the product information, now I don't have any information about margin and cost. As you can see, no cost for replenishment, no cost and margin for total order or for the product. So yeah, that's it. These are the small changes that have been made for these two intermediate versions. But that's not all, because some more changes are coming for the next intermediate versions. Maybe we can see what they are. For the next versions, what the R&D team is working on is to simplify the whole interface, change buttons, remove the place of some buttons, and make it really simpler for a better user experience. We will have a lot of performance improvements, and we will have some new feature because coupon promotions programs, gift cards, and loyalty programs will be merged in a unique model instead of four different models to make sure that users will have a better experience with these models. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to contact any point of sale experts to have more information if you need. We will be glad to answer you. Thank you very much.